have a theory that the way to make your vision board more effective so your manifestations actually come in way faster comes down to the type of photos that you are using. It is a very easy switch and you will never look at your vision board the same, so let's get into it. First, it's important for you to note that the brain manifests through mental rehearsal, meaning that the more you visualize, the more you'll get results because the brain can't tell the difference between a real and an imagined experience. But our goal here is to make that imagined experience so real and so convincing that it builds out a good thick neural pathway in the brain where it really believes this is your life, this is who you are, this is what happens to you. The more your brain believes it, the more you attract it. So imagine, for example, that you want to manifest your first time ever going on a yacht. You find a really cute picture to put on your vision board, like this one. But hold on, question for you. If you were actually on this yacht, is this what you would be seeing through your eyes? Or would it be something more like this? Your actual view at the dinner table looking at the sunset. Which one of those do you actually think is a mental rehearsal of the actual experience? We have a tendency to cover our vision boards with pictures of things, not of our experiences of them. Pinterest is an amazing place for this. You can also screenshot people's TikToks, Instagrams, etc. I know this is gonna help, so I'll let you get to it.